So, a few days ago, I ordered this DIY miniature house model kit thing from Etsy. The box was a bit cheesy, but the house was really cute. And here are the things I found inside. Additionally, I needed a pair of scissors, a box cutter, a cutting mat, a glue gun, and a ruler. Here are some clips from day one, and I mainly worked on the frame of the house today. During the process, I had to do a lot of cutting and pasting onto the wood. After 3.5 hours of work on day one, I was able to do the frame of the house, the swimming pool, and some decorative pieces for the house. On day two, I worked on the kitchen for about 2.5 hours. I completed the worktops or counters for the kitchen and the dining table with some small decorations. On day three, I was able to complete the kitchen and start to work on the living room. I forgot to mention, but you need some tweezers for the really small parts. After the kitchen was done, I started on the living room, and this video I created a TV stand. On day three, I worked for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Day four was the final day of the build. I completed the living room and added some decorations to finish it up. The sofa was the hardest thing to build in the whole of the ground floor. First I cut out the wrong parts, and then the leather was really hard to stick onto the wood. On top of that, the pieces of wood didn't match up, and overall I think this piece of furniture was a failure. After my mental breakdown about the sofa, I worked on the cushions. These are really tiny and hard to make. The last thing to do was to stick all the decorations down, and I was done. Overall, it took about 8.5 hours, but I really enjoyed doing this project. I'll be doing another video on the upstairs, so please go check that out as well.